Here we are, this awesome place. Okay, so this is a fun house. Last year I remember walking through this. This house is actually, it sold last, I'd say May of 2021, and now it's back on the market. The new owner apparently has to get out of it. So they've listed it $5,000 above what they bought it for in May of 2021. So, you know, with everything else going up in price, this one stood out to me as I was just going through everything, because it's such a low price per square foot. They're asking $585,000, and it's 4,500 square feet. So very big house for that price. So that stood out to me, and I realized that when I did a little bit of background check on this, I realized, yeah, this house was on the market just a little while ago, and I've actually been inside it. So a lot of fun. So closet, this is a bathroom. I'll show you that in a second. More closets. So it's 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom. You know, just a quick calculation on the mortgage payment here is going to be about $3,000. $3,000 if occupied, you know, with taxes and all that. Or the current, you know, interest rates right now, they've dipped a little bit since the last couple months. This is the master. They've dipped since the last couple months. We're at 5.7 as interest. What's up, Mayor? So we do have this nice shower. I love it when you got nice light in the shower. Big walk-in closet. So what stands out to me on this house is that we're basically, what they're saying with this pricing. Here's the bathroom. I was going to show you. So it does have, you know, this you can pull out, separate from the bedroom, but then you also are giving everyone access to it. You could just lock it, but they do have access to the bathroom. So nice family room. We're back to that 2021 pricing, which is crazy. So changing market. And then this house in particular, because they've only owned it for a year, you know something's changed, and I'm sure they don't want to take a loss on it, but this definitely gives us an opportunity. So we're gonna come back to the downstairs. Okay, this is an interesting little area. So a lot of the square footage, so the 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, the bedrooms are not gigantic. What's big about here is it just has, you know, it's like, wow, what are these called? One of you watching this, I think it's like for sound, like speakers or something hooked up. Yeah, you got, you know, probably surround sound. So this is probably like was intended to be like a theater, but the large square footage is in these extra rooms. So you got this extra bedroom up there, or extra family room, whatever you want to make it, and then you've got some gigantic rooms downstairs. So and this is part of Shamrock Park. So you go out here, and then there's this kind of this gap in between everyone's yards, and it goes right down to the park. So you don't have, you know, a gigantic yard here. So if you were to use this as a rental, you know, it would work really well for like a, you know, just a couple, older couple, younger couple that don't want, you know, very much to maintain. It would also work really good for a family, because if they don't want to maintain it, they got the park right there. And this is private parks in the neighborhood. Oh, that's a plum tree. That's cool. Another thing about this place is that it's got so many trees that it kind of hides the beauty of it. I mean, it's actually a very beautiful house. I love the stone and the white trim, or the white siding, but because it has so many trees, you don't really see it. So, you know, that's really the look you want. And then the basement. So a place like this, I could see it renting out as Airbnb for about $200 a night or more. Especially if you were to add, you know, certain things to, I mean, you gotta, you know, you furnish this place, you know, put a ping pong table or something here, and maybe put a hot tub outside. You know, then you're gonna be pushing above that 200 mark. But this is a very large place. I mean, now these 2 bedrooms down here are gigantic. I mean, you could fit 1, 2, 3, you know, bunk beds in here. This could be a big bunk room, or maybe 1 or 2, you know, queen or king size beds. This room also is really big. It's got a walk-in closet, large walk-in closet, and then you've got 1 bathroom down here, and that's kind of like a storage room. So you can lock up your personal stuff in there if you don't want shared with your renters. So pretty cool place. Again, like price per square foot, I think it's $126 per square foot, which is, you know, and to find it in this good of condition, really, really amazing. So you do have an HOA here. Yeah, you do have some other things you have to follow to get the Shamrock Park perks, but definitely an option. So thanks for checking it out. Talk to you soon.